It's time
to fire this thing up.
Hit it.
John, what you're looking at here is our jig that we set up for our foam injection for our side gunnel panels for Taylor's boat.
We didn't have the time on the last episode where we were at Matan Marine Restoration in Halifax, Massachusetts. This is Mike Borelli. I'm
And
John
this is John
Graviscus.
Graviscus.
Great to have you back in the shop. I thought this was very cool, and it would short the audience if we didn't actually get into it. All right, this is a little bit of bonus coverage from last episode, guys.
I really felt like they missed out.
Okay, this is cool. What do we have down here?
Listen, I got 4-pound density, 2-part foam, 50-50. I'm mixing up just underneath a half a gallon. I got this figured at about 7,000 cubic inches. I have it tilted
Of
up.
extra flotation. We have 2,500 pounds currently of flotation foam
Correct.
in our hull.
I want to get another 1,500. I want to hit 4,000.
We want to hit about 4,000, and this is really cool. So what Mike's carpenter has done is he's made this form. It's clamped to the actual flange on the inner liner.
Correct.
You got a ceiling, you got a sidewall, you've got dams. Okay, so the foam can't go anywhere. I actually even taped the bottom edge.
I don't want anything coming out because what I want is I want to pour that initial pour right here with it tilted up. I need that initial pour to expand to its full height right out of the get-go.
But you raised it. We're going uphill now with
Correct.
a jack
Well,
in front.
that's going to keep my pour all concentrated in this area to grow to the height I need. Just when we start seeing it, we'll clamp that off, and what we'll do is we'll start lowering the boat to start training the foam to expand up, but at the height I need.
So we're going to control the foam. The foam's not going to control us. And guys, this is an experiment. We're either going to be heroes or ghosts.
Yeah, but
okay?
we'll
And I
still
can't look bad on TV if you're not. But today's episode, guys, is going to be really cool. We have a special vendor coming in with some really high-tech underwater lights for Taylor White's boat. All
Very
right,
exciting.
we're going to be taking a look at a T-top that I have never seen before. Mike's team just painted this thing. Wait until you see how it drains. And we have so many guest experts. I mean, it's a really great show, but we need to acknowledge all the fabulous companies who help make Ship Shape TV possible. So Mike, we got to get to work, mix this up. Let's start pouring.
Let's go.